Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can fake this Kim K hairline and also how you can wear a ponytail while you have taping extensions. So I actually never really wear my hair backwards for two reasons. First of all, I have a very weird hairline and I really don't like my hairline. I think it makes my forehead looks so wide, like my face is kind of like heart shaped, and that's why I always like part my hair in the middle so it's actually covered with a lot of hair, so my forehead appears, you know, smaller when my hair is in front of it. But you know, from time to time I feel like rocking a ponytail. When I posted this, I don't know what to call it, is it baldness or is it normal? Are these my baby hairs? I have no idea. But since I posted this on Instagram, a lot of DMs came in from women. They said like I struggle with it, and some people recommended castor oil. Some people recommended PRP treatment, microblading, hair transplantation, and some had really bad experiences with hair transplantation. And I just felt like, you know what, we're all struggling with it, so I'm just going to show you how I cover it up if I'm going to wear it in a ponytail. I know it's not like a permanent thing, but if you're struggling with it and you don't want to go like extreme with treatments, then this is always an option. Okay, so I actually wanted to, you know, wash my hair, but then I thought this is, you know, the perfect hair to do a ponytail because it's less frizzy on top since it's oily. So if you don't want to wash your hair too often, you can rock this hairstyle without anyone knowing it, okay? I now realize that I said two reasons and I never really explained the second reason. Second reason is I am wearing taping extensions and they're not very easy to hide. So I'm going to hide the taping extensions, and I'm also going to make sure that we have a beautiful, nice, clean hairline. First, I'm going to brush my hair. As you can see, this one is very visible, so I'm just going to turn it around for now. This one is pretty, let's see, just turn it around. Okay. This is going to take time. Your arms are going to hurt. Now to make it look very sleek, I'm going to use this Rich Kid. This is one of my favorite products when it comes to doing a wet look hair or a very sleek hair. I think it smells amazing as well, and it's just really good. It's Rich Kid from IGK. It's a coconut oil gel, and I'm just going to put everything backwards like that. I don't think this is bad, but I do think that we can do better because, as you can see, it's not really tight here, and I don't know, I do think we can do better. So I'm going to do this two-step ponytail real quick. Okay, so this is the first part. While I'm editing this video, I just realized that my husband called, and then that I actually didn't explain the second part, but I just took the second part and I combined it with the first part, so we have just like one ponytail. I just feel like I got a facelift. This feels so tight, but that's good, and I do think that this trick works way better. I don't know why I didn't do it earlier. But anyways, moving forward, I'm going to spray a little bit of hairspray on this brush. Just going to brush it very gently. So as you can see, this looks unnatural because my own hair ends right here. So I'm just going to take that part. You can't really see what I'm doing, but I'm just brushing that hair. Okay, and I'm just going to wrap it around the hair tie. And I'm going to use a bobby pin to make sure that stays in place. So as I mentioned earlier, I do think that I have a very weird hairline. And you have to be kind of careful with this because this can look very unnatural if you do it very quickly and if you go in with too much product. I did have a product that was really nice. It was from Color Wow, and I think it was called Root Cover Up, and I can't seem to find it anywhere. So I'm going to use this one right here. This is the powder eyeliner from NYX Cosmetics, but you can also use an eyeshadow, maybe a very dark bronzer, depending on your hair color. But I'm going to try this, and I do like the fact that there are two colors. So I'm using this brush from MUA Cosmetics. This is in F11. I'm going to use the darker color first. And I'm just going to dab it like that. As you can see, I'm not really bringing it forward because I do think this color is a bit too dark for that. We're going to use a lighter color to do that. So I'm just touching it. Now I'm going to dip in the lighter color and I'm going to place it right here. And if you really want to make it look very realistic, you just grab a brow brush, and I'm just going to draw some strokes. Look at that. I think that looks very, very, very good. So I'm just going to follow the line of these hairs. You can always go in with your foundation brush to clean things up. And there you go. This is how I cover my hairline. I do think it makes me look so different, but I kind of wish my hair was like this. But a tip that I got via DM was Jamaican black castor oil, and some people said that it was very helpful. They also said that you have to be a bit patient with that because you don't get like immediate results. But I ordered it. I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to give you guys an update. Let me know if you have any tips or tricks when it comes to my weird hairline. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. We're really growing very fast. And follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.